If your faith in modern medicine is as shaky as a leaf in the wind, let this story of miraculous recovery anchor your beliefs. At just 15, a boy faced a massive pancreatic cyst, so large it required surgery to drain over a litre of fluid. But the relief was short-lived. Within a month, as he was still recovering, the cyst returned, more aggressive than ever. The surgeons were at a loss, refusing a second operation. With his condition worsening, fever, vomiting, and his body wasting away, the boy's family turned to homeopathy in desperation. The homeopathic remedy, BRYONIA, was selected based on his symptoms, including fever and a white-coated tongue. Remarkably, within 2 days, his fever subsided and the vomiting ceased. Yet, the cyst still loomed large. That's when sulphur came into play, a second homeopathic remedy known for its profound effects on serous discharges. In just 10 days, the cyst began to shrink significantly and soon disappeared completely. Now, 15 years later, he stands strong and healthy, a testament to the potential of homeopathy. This story isn't just about medical triumph, it's a beacon of hope for those seeking alternatives when all else seems lost.